Alishba, and we're gonna make a candy dispenser for my Lego dolls. So this is the base. Then you have to take two of these and then put them inside it like that. Okay. Now you take this and then put it next to it. Now we are gonna take this piece and then, we're gonna take this 4 piece that has nothing on it, just a regular 4 piece, and then snap it on, put it on, and put this on the side, like this. You're gonna store all the candy in there, and these 2 are for 12 candies. Then put the same thing but with the holes on the side that you put on this side. See? You put the same but with holes on that one. Then put this piece. It doesn't have anything. See? It's all flat. Put it there. Now we take this. Sorry. Put that there. Put this there. Put that over there. Now you can store all the candy in here. Pretend candy. I have these beads for candy for the Lego dolls. Now it's time to get these. First you have to, this part is easy for building. Just see these openings. If you don't have them, you can get it from a shop that is a thingy carriage from a shop. Then you open them and then you find 4 of this. You just get 2 of them, and this is gonna be in the same kit. And just snap that piece on. First you have to store candy, but I didn't. I'm just showing you how to build this. Then to close the body, you have to take this, and then you put it there, like that. And then these are for the bottom for the top. Or was it the bottom? It was the top. I put it wrong. Let me just, I'll do it really quick. Now I made it. It's supposed to be down. Sorry. It's supposed to be down. I forgot. Now you put the candy in. So I'm going to put the beads for the candy inside. These are 6 ones. You can only store 6 in them. 1. I'm storing them like this. Mine are flat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones on this side, 6 is on this side. I'll do that real quick. And I've done this one. Now just slowly put them sideways. The holes should be like facing each other. And then close it. for the starters, you can use this. It's easier, but kind of hard for me. So I start with that part. I start with this part. If you want, you can start with this part. Now, this side is like a triangle because I put that piece on. Now I'm gonna put this at the bottom. Now we have one candy dispenser. There's two connected to each other. Now I'm gonna fill the beads in here. Now for to close it, I'm using these Lego pieces to close it. This is not actually real candy, it's just some beads. Make sure you do not eat them. These are really dirty. And they have germs. Now you have two candy dispensers. To connect that to that, just need to, wait, this is the new plate. I'll just put this piece. Now you have two candy dispensers. Now you have to candy fell out. I mean the beads fell out. Where did those come from? I just need to keep them on. Make sure they do not open. Oh. That. Now you have two candy dispensers connected together. This part, I have no idea what is it for. Oh, it's for here. Let's get it off. Beep, 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 beep. These are gonna go on wherever you want. And now you have a candy dispenser. So, bye guys! This is the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button. Bye!